Hi everyone, it's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards, and I'm going to show you a drill that Florian Venom Kohler, he's a trick artist. He's I don't know if he invented this, I'm pretty sure he did, but I saw a video on it and I wanted to show you guys, okay? It's a little tricky now. You have to set up these balls in sequential order, 1 through 9, going across this way and that way. It's on the second diamond out this way and the second diamond out that way. And half diamonds all the way, okay? Let's say set that up. The 10 ball, which could be any ball really, is on 1 diamond out, 1 diamond in, and it stays there. The only thing you have is ball in hand, and you set it up to make the next ball. And you have to hit in sequential order, obviously. So 1, then the 2, then the 3, then the 4, all the way around, okay? Right to the 9. Without touching the other balls. So we have to do this in the right order. Basically just go like this. Alright, so now you do it again, okay? So far so good, but I only did 1. Put the ball back and do it again. See if we can complete this. Spun it out. Came close, but I didn't touch it. It's gonna get a little tricky. Easy. Oh, that was very hard. Still doable. Got it? Oh, I missed. I hit these balls. Okay, so if you miss, put it back. Alright. Try it over. You shouldn't miss. Hey, don't move. Do this. That looks good. Yes. Perfect. On either side, because I'm not going to touch these. This ain't too bad. Good. Oh, 6, I just got to get here or here. Good. I didn't bring it down because I was afraid of missing. It's still good though. one. Same shot. That's perfect. Alright. And that's how you do that Venom Kohler, what's his name? Florian Venom Kohler drill. Okay, I don't know what he calls it. But like, subscribe, and hit me up in the comments. All right. Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.